It's been absolutely amazing for me to see how the entire organization has really embraced being part of something bigger. It's a great affirmation that this isn't a marketing tagline. This truly is the culture that our people wanted and that we've identified as something that we can take on a go-forward basis and really get people to build upon.
Being a part of something bigger means for me that I always know that we have a great, strong team, and this strong team is standing all the time behind my back.
Being part of something bigger is great, as I have the support from all my colleagues throughout the world.
My associates are coming in to do a job, and they're coming in to earn a paycheck to take care of their families. By making sure that they're safe at work and that they can go home to their families, every night and be safe, that's a part of something bigger.
As it's about just not you, it's about other people, it's about other areas, other divisions, all the way from a production worker to the president. There's definitely multiple aspects to being part of something bigger.
There's a strong sense that we are a part of something bigger than just this part or that component. The complexity of some of the programs we run and the talent on the production floor is unmatched. I'm so proud of my coworkers and for being a part of such an innovative group of people.
A part of something bigger, I would say just the day-to-day opportunities that I get when I come to work. I mean, being a part of, making the place better, I think that means a lot to me.
He's been part of that culture and that team that drives continuous change, continuous improvement, and continuous development of the team and our communities.
My name is Johan.
I'm Emma.
My name is Karen.
My name's Paul.
My name is Jörg Joppen.
I'm Kevin.
I'm Chris.
And I'm part of something bigger.